Hello, everyone. I'm Gilles Froment, Senior Vice President, Government and Industry Relations at Lactalis Canada. I'm also the co-chair of the IDF Cheese Symposium that will be held virtually from June 7 to 11, 2021. This year, the Canadian National Committee of the International Dairy Federation, where I also serve as Vice President, co-organizes the Cheese Symposium together with the Dairy Science and Technology Research Center, Stella of Laval University. This virtual format will offer an enhanced bilingual program and that will be available for 30 days after the event. This video highlights all the good reasons we encourage you to participate in the 2021 Cheese Symposium. But first, let me introduce you Professor Sylvie Turgeon, who is also co-chairing the event.
Thank you, Gilles. Hi, everybody. I am professor at Laval University in Quebec City and a researcher from the Stella Dairy Research Center and the Institute of Nutrition and Functional Foods. We are very proud to be part of the organization of this international event. The Cheese Symposium is only held every 4 years, traditionally in different countries around the world. This year's conference presents a tremendous opportunity to learn more about the latest research findings and technology innovations in cheese science and technology. This is a place to meet and engage with experts and talented young professionals from the dairy and cheese sciences sector who will present their scientific research projects.
In fact, meeting the next generation of scientists should be interesting for various dairy industry stakeholders, precisely because it is the young scientists, such as graduate students and postdoctoral fellows, who represent the specialized next generation of dairy industry innovators. Featuring access to more than 50 scientific conferences and nearly 100 short communications, participants will certainly gain valuable insight and key learning from the conference.
The presentations will be diversified and will cover several themes, such as microbial ecology and the role of starters, adjunct, and indigenous microbiota on cheese quality and ripening, flavor and cheese authenticity, looking at recent advances and techniques. Cheese structure and how it impacts the rheological and textural properties is another theme of high interest. Cheese technology is also an important topic, allowing to look into process eco-efficiency and innovative approaches. Finally, a session is open to innovation, functionality, perspectives on nutrition and health related to cheese consumption. From keynote speakers to on-demand programming, student competition, and more, the Cheese Symposium is sure to provide interesting, insightful, and engaging content for all participants.
In fact, all participants will have the opportunity to engage in live question and answer sessions with the speakers during featured live sessions and network with researchers, cheese experts, and dairy industry representatives. In addition, the Novalet Forum Techno, included in the Cheese Symposium registration, will feature a selection of best solutions and discoveries aimed at fueling innovation on farms and in dairy plants.
The symposium will include the participation of a highly qualified audience of more than 400 participants, including a global network of scientists, academics, business and government leaders from more than 20 countries. Communications and discussion of the most recent scientific advances will support innovations resulting from the research and the continued development of the cheese sector so that it remains competitive and continue to offer delicious cheeses. We hope you will be part of it.
Thank you, Sylvie, and we invite you to visit our website, phil-idfcheese2020.com, and register at your earliest convenience. We really look forward to hosting you virtually in early June. Thank you. Merci.